Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can use grid lines in Canva as guides to have a neat design in Canva. So here you can just open a blank design like this, and first go to File, View Settings, and now click on the Add Guides. Click on custom and just set the number of columns and rows as you like. In this case, I'm using 3 columns and also 2 rows. Then the gap, I'm going to make it 0. Gap and margin. Click on add guides. So you'll have this grid lines and it will help you guide your design. So you can just place the elements you want according to this guideline to have a neat design. So here I'm going to just find an element. Okay, let's say I'm going to add this one, and here you can just adjust it according to this guideline in here. So you can just copy and make it neat like this. And after that, you are done. So that will be all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.